I keep getting this variable is undefined error, and I've been trying to like, wait, maybe if I try this, it'll work. Yeah, see that doesn't work either.
No, it doesn't.
So yeah, so I think it's with the scoping and like how that's inside of that if statement, inside of that for loop of that class.
Mm.
So maybe if I like move it outside of it and just get it outside of that block, then it'll work.
Yeah, you can try it.
No, that doesn't work either.
No, it
So
doesn't.
I just maybe if I try. Yeah, I just don't know. Do you have any?
I mean, I can try to guide you along, but that's about all.
Okay. Wait, one second. Okay, yeah. So why doesn't that work?
How about you tell me? How about we look at it and try to find out the right path and the right direction to go to instead of just looking at what's right and wrong here.
Okay.